Hey Flutter devs, welcome back to Block Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Today's mistake is about crossing the wrong boundary, calling Navigator inside your block. It might seem convenient. You finished a login request and just call Navigator.push from the block or the repository. But here's the problem, your block now is tightly coupled to Flutter's UI layer. Why is it bad? Your block now needs a built context, and you cannot reuse the block in non-Flutter environments like a test or CLI tools. Your business logic is no longer pure, it has a side effects tied to the UI behavior. This breaks testability, and it breaks reusability, and it violates separation of concerns. So, blocks should only manage states, not navigation, not snack bars, not showing dialogues. Just a pure, predictable state management. So, what's the right way? Let the UI handle navigation by listening for a state that tells it when to act. In this way, your block stays clean and testable, and your UI responds reactively to state changes. So, remember, never inject built context into your block. Emit intent state like success or navigate to page. Use BlocListener or similar logic in the UI to trigger navigation. This was a mistake number 6 in a block mistake series. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.